Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more latest update. Okay. So today we are going to learn about dress up Tera. Okay. So in this project, first I will run this project. I will show you. Okay. So by using this flag, we can run our project. Now see. Suppose you want to wear this dress. So what you can do, you need to just click here, see. After that, suppose you want the hat. Okay, now, see. Hmm. Okay, you want this color. You want to wear the pants. Okay, so whatever you want, you need to just click on that and you will get everything here. Okay, so this is our today's project. So now let's see how we will create this project. Okay, so now we will start. So for that, what you need to do, you need to take a new file. Okay, so how we can take a new file? Now you already know. You need to just click on file, new. So here we will get one new project. Okay, now what is the next thing? We can delete this project, this sprite. Okay, so what we will do now, we will delete this sprite. After that, so first thing, always you need to add some backdrop. If you want any colorful background, if you want any picture, you need to just click on this choose a backdrop. After that, whatever backdrop you want, suppose you want this castle fort, you need to just click on that. See, you will get that backdrop here. After that, whatever sprite you want, means whatever characters you want, how you will add that character, you need to just click on this choose a sprite. That you will search what sprite you want. Okay, suppose in the people, we will get all our sprites. Okay, so first you will scroll down. Whatever sprite you want, you need to just click on that. Okay, suppose I want this fairy. So you need to just click on the fairy. See? Okay. Now, what next sprite you want? Suppose you want some glasses or whatever you want, you need to just search for that. Suppose I want this glass. Okay. After that, you can put this here or anywhere, whatever position you want for that glass. Okay. After that, you can add some more classes. So this is my sunglass one. Suppose I want this sunglass here and this sunglass. Okay. After that, what you want to add? Suppose I want to add some wings. So we don't have that. Suppose I want this butterfly. You can add this butterfly here. Okay. After that, you want to add some clothes. What you can do, you need to just search for clothes. You will get your shorts. See, you can add some shoes also. See. So we have this dress. Okay. After that, we can add some caps also. So in the clothes section, you will get everything. Okay. Even you can add the winter hat or you can add this hat. Okay. So we now, as you can see, we have all these sprites like sunglasses, pants, this butterfly, dress, hat. Okay. Now, how we will give the instructions. Okay. So how you will add your coding part. So that coding part is called as instruction. Okay. How we will add the instruction. Suppose I want instruction for the fairy. Okay. See, without instruction, it will not work. So how you will add the instruction? Always we will start from events. Okay. So in the event, I want, this is my first instruction. When flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, so what will happen? Suppose I want the fairy position here. So what is X and Y position? It is minus 170 and minus 42. So how we will add this position? You need to just go to the motion. You will get your go to X and Y value. It means if I will take my fairy here, if I will click on front button, you will get this fixed position for the fairy. Okay. So for every sprite, we need to do the same thing. Okay. Means when I click on glass, so again, when flag is clicked, so we want one fixed position for the glass also. Like go to X and Y. Same for this sunglass. When we will click on the flag, again we want our X and Y value. Okay, see. After that, butterfly 2. Same. When we will click on the flag, when flag is clicked, so we want X and Y value for the same. Same for the shots. When flag is clicked, so what the X and Y position 64 and 27. So you need to just go to the motion, take this X and Y. Same for this dress also. Okay. So again, we will take this value and in the event, we will add some events. Same for hat also. When flag is clicked, so we want to add some position. So this is first part we did in all the spreads. Okay. After that, what we have to do now? Okay, so this is our second question. So what we want, suppose when I click on any sprite, so we want one glide motion. Okay, so how we will add that? Okay, so first thing, we need to again add some event. Suppose for this classes, what event we can add now? When I click this sprite, okay, means when I click on this sunglass. So what will happen? First, we want to go to the front layer. Okay. So where you will get your go to front layer, inside the looks, see this, go to the front layer. And what glide position you want. Okay. Suppose I want this here. And see, even you can reduce the size. Suppose I want only 80. It is also big, so you can take it 50. See, now it is perfect. So what is the position for the sunglass? And here we can take the show block also. So if I will run, I will get this here. So see what is the position, glide, minus 160 to 41. Okay. So you need to take a glide. Glide means you can move from one position to another. And what is the position? Minus 160 to 41. See, if I will click on run, if I will click on this sprite, you will get that here. See, like that. If we want the hat here, so even we can reduce the size for the hat also. We can write it 50. 50 is so small. So we can make it 70. See, now it is perfect. So we want the hat position here. See, this is perfect. So what we can do again, when this sprite is clicked, okay, means when we will click on the flag hat, so what will happen? Again, we want to go to our front layer and we can glide that. Okay. So where is your go to front layer? This. And we can take our glide. So just go to the motion, take glide. Now see if I will run, if I will click on glass. See, if I will click on hat, you will get. Now we will do for the pant. Okay, see. Same thing. When this, so where we want this pant? Near about here. Okay. So what we can do now? Again, when this sprite is clicked, so where you will get that inside your event when this sprite is clicked. So what will happen? We want to go to the front layer. So just scroll down. We will get this front layer. And what we want the next part? Glide motion means from one position to another. See, same we will do for this dress also. So where we want this dress? Here, like this. Okay. So again, when this sprite is clicked, so what we want now? We want to show that first. So we will take the front layer and we need glide position. Okay. See, after that, I think we completed. Okay. Now see, I want this class. So we need to just click on that. I want this hat, this dress, see, pant. Okay. So again, I will show you hat. Now this is perfect. So in this way, we can create dress up Terra project. And the next part, how you will rename this project. This is most important part. So here you can write the name, suppose dress up. And how you can share your project? You need to just click on the share button, copy the link from here, and you can share this link. Okay. So in this way, we can create a dress up project. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay. So thank you so much. And please like, share, and subscribe our video. If you want a latest update, you can press your bell icon also. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day.